Hey, this is Andrew Brown from Exam Pro, and we are looking at the concept of regulatory compliance. So, what is compliance? It's conforming to rules such as a specification, policy, standard, or law. And regulatory compliance is an organization that takes an effort to comply with relevant laws, policies, and regulations. So, regulatory compliance can vary at the following levels: so federal, state, political, and economic union, and international organization. So, why do we have regulatory compliance? Well, governments want to protect its citizens' data that is collected by companies and organizations. What are compliance controls? Well, those are internal control mechanisms that need to be in place to detect, prevent, and correct compliance issues. So, public standards and policies, document procedures, training, monitoring, internal audits. So, what can they do to enforce these things? So, they have, or the idea is what will the measures of regulatory compliance enforce? So, citizens get the right to access their data anytime, the right to correct or delete their data if needed, retention periods that for a minimum or maximum time data should be stored, enabling governments and regulatory agencies the right to access and examine data when necessary, defining rules for what data can be processed and how that should be done. Okay?